What is success and how to be successful? We all think we are round pegs in square holes, leading a choiceless life as if it has been thrust on us. Stop thinking, start asking. Ask for what you want deeply and you will definitely get it. Success to me is when it comes from a centralized, focused place of your passionate mind internally. You have to have a vision and it's only yours. Don't expect others to get it and understand it. The universe gave you the vision, not to them. So you need to drive it, not them. In order to run with time, ravish with enthusiasm, create self-confidence, develop your personality, stay young. Success to me is when people from the outside and the unknown can resonate with me and I see them in me, giving them back a life-changing experience. As my mentors Lisa and Sid say, success is when you do not do anything just for money or for popularity, but when you connect it to the inner spiritual self and serve the universe with significance from a deep consciousness level. So be grounded so much that your feet are still on the ground while you could afford lavish shoes. This is my definition of success. What's yours?